Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, who are the miners, and latest updates of cryptos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. What is cryptocurrency? Crypto means hidden or secret, and currency means a medium of exchange. In simple language, crypto is a form of digital money and can be saved in your mobile or computer. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that records transactions, which I'll tell you ahead in the video. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of cryptos. Advantages: it has no controlling central authority with no transactions limit, with no financial intermediary. Some cryptos are limited and you cannot print more. Like there will be always only 21 million bitcoins. On the other hand, we have Ethereum, which has a constant flow of assets which makes them inflated. Most of the cryptocurrencies are transparent. Anybody can view that from where did they come and where did they go. All of this revenue are in a public chain called blockchain. Disadvantages: the biggest being that these transactions are irreversible. If you send it to the wrong person, you won't get it back, and was possible if it had a financial intermediary. But it is not possible in crypto. As there is no central authority, no one is there to keep a check and hence can be used in illegal activities such as drugs and terrorist organizations. Cryptos are very volatile and the common man doesn't know much and hence it is risky too. Your crypto is stored in your digital wallet and if you lose your password or private key, there is no way to retrieve it. And it means that all your crypto is gone. According to a study, 20% of all cryptocurrency is lost. Also, it is not environment friendly. It needs a lot of energy to mine them. Now let's talk about the blockchain technology. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain is a chain of blocks that stores some information which is regarding the transaction, sender, receiver, and number of cryptos. When one block gets filled, the other starts storing the information, and the important thing is that the new block points the previous one. Every block contains its own and the previous block's reference number and hash. It means that all the blockchains are linked to each other. Let us talk about who are these miners. To know about miners, let's take an example. If I want to share 10 bitcoins to my friend and a message is sent to the whole network that I want to send bitcoins to my friend, I sign this message with a password which is called the private key. The current computers in the crypto network will get the notification as all of them have a copy of the current database. Now these transactions goes into a waiting room where there are many others like mine waiting for settlements. Now there is the entry of miner, and miners are the computers that are scattered around the world. Their job is to assemble these transactions and propose them, and these are the part of blocks. Now thousands of these computers are competing to settle the transactions, and this competition is to solve challenging mathematical puzzles, and these miners can propose a new block only when they solve. And the first one to do so gets a reward in the form of newly minted Bitcoin, which is 6.2 per valid block mine. And this reward is changed every 4 years or after 210,000 blocks are mined and gets reduced by half each time. Let us talk about what is latest in the crypto market. In 2021, Tesla announced that they have bought the bitcoins worth $1.5 billion, which was a big boost for the coin. But recently, Elon Musk announced that they will not accept the bitcoins due to the environmental issue of insane amount of energy used to mine it, and refuse to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment for their electric cars because it came at a big cost to the environment, due to which it slumped by 17%. Should we invest in crypto or not? Crypto market are very volatile in nature. Since they are risky class, invest only that much which you are ready to lose. All of this is for educational purposes, and we don't recommend to invest in crypto or any stock purposely. I hope you like this video and subscribe the channel for more videos on finance and digital world.